Are you still missing out on the booming industry of online education? It's one of the largest industries globally, valued at over $400 billion. Chances are, you've invested in a course to learn a new skill, whether it was design, coding, or something else. The truth is, everyone has spent money on learning something new, which makes online courses a lucrative business. Imagine having your very own product that you can sell and make money every day. Platforms like Lynda, Coursera, Skillshare, and Masterclass are making millions each month by selling online courses. Now, it's your turn to tap into this profitable market. But creating a high-quality course isn't easy. You need to record and edit videos, organize content, write titles and descriptions, handle hosting, and build a website. Sounds overwhelming, right? What if you could bypass all of that? What if there was an app that streamlines the entire process, allowing you to focus on creating and selling your own product while making a steady income? Introducing My Productify, the cloud-based app designed to help you effortlessly create and launch your very own course product. With just a few clicks, you can build professional course pages and email opt-in pages using our customizable templates. Here's how it works. Capture leads with beautifully designed templates that make your product stand out. Showcase your course content with flexible layouts and templates. Seamlessly link your email opt-in page with your course page, and you're ready to start promoting and selling your product. Why is My Productify so powerful? Customizable templates. Choose from a range of email opt-in and course page templates to match your brand or style perfectly. No coding needed. Our drag-and-drop design interface makes it easy to customize your pages without any technical skills. Email autoresponder integration. Connect your preferred email service to build relationships with your audience automatically. Custom domains, short links, and QR codes. Use your own domain for a professional look and make sharing easy with short links and QR codes. With My Productify, you don't need to be a marketing expert or a tech wizard. Our app handles all the hard work, so you can focus on creating and selling your own product. This means you can start making money with your product daily and sustainably. Here's how easy it is to get started with My Productify. Access. Click on any of the links to get instant access to My Productify. Customize. Choose from our stunning templates, personalize them, and link your course page with your email opt-in page. Launch. Start promoting and selling your product to anyone, anywhere. It's that simple. In just minutes, you'll have your course live and ready to share with the world, setting you up to earn an impressive income. So how much does it cost? We could easily charge hundreds or even thousands for My Productify because it's worth it. But for a limited time only, you can get lifetime access for a fraction of that price. We're limiting the number of licenses available, and once they're gone, the price will increase significantly. Don't miss out. If you're tired of the hassle and frustration of building and launching your online course, My Productify is the solution you've been waiting for. We are so confident in our product that we're offering a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. Are you ready to finally create and launch your own product and start making money? Click the button below to get instant access to My Productify along with an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth thousands of dollars. I'll see you inside.